light hooked up. And got my Kelty and my trio chair. I'll try to do some reviews on some of this stuff. Got a Stanley cooler. Everything works good. I got my Kelty Grand Mesa 2 tent. Try that dude out tonight. I got the black military sleep system bag. It's supposed to get down to about 48, 49 tonight. Just car camping out on the lake. I'm gonna get up in the morning and check the jugs. I got 4 jugs out there, 2 to 3 hooks apiece. And hopefully I'll have some catfish tomorrow. And also my Old Town Vapor kayak. Good kayak. Paddle's good, steer's good. That's my bucket up. Put the jugs in. And sometimes if I got a throw net, I'm gonna try to catch some perch maybe in the morning. My box I made, it lights everything up pretty good. Works good as a lantern. It's got a battery charger. I mean, like a socket for charging jack, cigarette lighter plug, whatever. And I've got a meter on it. I can, it's hard to see it now, but it's got 12 volts. I've got a cable in there that charges it with the truck. So if it goes dead on me, I can charge it back up. Alright, I'm gonna get up in the morning and fix me some breakfast. Here's a blue. Oh, that's a channel. Channel cat. There's my charge box. My cooler. This is my Kelty. There's my Lucy light. Solar, it charges itself, and it's solar and no batteries. Sleeping in a military sleep system, the black bag, Ozark Trail. I like it, it's pretty good. Pretty comfortable. It's pretty roomy. I got me some breakfast in there, eggs and bacon, some potatoes. Potatoes are in the vehicle, but I'm gonna have a good breakfast in the morning. Look at the fog. Look up to this. Cooking some hash browns, bacon, fixing to cook some eggs. Got my Trangia at 25. We went to the storm cooker. That thing works good. Got me a light my fire nest kit. Working pretty good. Work comes with a cutting board and a couple of containers. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this breakfast. Some more jugs out and redid the string because I had some swivels and that's a big no-no. They snap those things pretty bad, but pretty easy. I had a big one on there this morning and he pulled it out of my hand and he pulled that swivel apart. They just won't hold, the clamp won't hold. So, I'll see how this does. I'll probably won't spend the night tonight, but I'll come back. Well, the water's up pretty high. I got my jugs out here. And some of them are standing up. So that pretty much means fish. I had them kind of close to the level. So maybe when the water comes up, the weight could stand them up. But I'll see some of them up and then back down. So I know there's fish on there. This is awesome. And water's way up. Those sticks right there, I had to walk way out here to get in the water. So it's up at least 2 foot. That's great. That's good fishing. Alright, I'm gonna get this kayak unloaded and I've got my Old Town Vapor kayak and we'll get this dude unloaded and see what we got. Alright, here we go. Heavy on these, but I see my other jug, it's moved, I don't know, 100 feet. I may have something good on it. Oh, he's dragging it all over. Definitely one on that one. Yeah, he's pulling it. Like jaws. Okay. I'll put you back. We're gonna see if we can get him in. Oh yeah. He's definitely strong. Holy crap. He's a strong one. I have to be careful. Yeah. He's a big old flathead. He won't even fit in the net. Damn it, crickets. Oh, he's a big one. We're gonna have to put him up. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh yeah, boys. Yes. The tail is as big as my hand. Whew. That one made me nervous. Wow. The only fish that was on there, it was that one. Whew. Alright, I'm heading back. I'll get some more pictures of this guy.